Welcome to everyone. This is from Stock Market Base. Today we want to discuss about State Bank of India, a complete stock market analysis of State Bank of India in its stock. Like whether one can buy it for a long term or whether one can buy it for a short term, whether to buy, whether to hold or whether to sell. So today from Stock Market Base we are going to study about completely fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and along with that a special aspect from my team stock market base about SBI stock. So let's see guys, you all have know about the market from last few days. It is rising, and from the from April it was just falling. So what was happening in the market, whether the market is in a buy side, whether the market in sell side, market in the sense overall nifty, bank nifty, the Indian stock market. So to know that, let's first analysis about State Bank of India. To see lot of many users wanted to buy State Bank of India, whether they want to buy, they can hold, or they want to sell. Let's see, today we are going to study about in all the aspect of SBI. Let me tell you, first we are going to study about the fundamental analysis. Okay, so now I would give you a point that State Bank of India is currently like it is a financial it comes in a financial sector with a public bank. And State Bank of India presently having a market capitalization of 1,43,000 cr, and this stock is presently ranking at 16 number in Indian stock market. So if you can see the stock price of the SBI right now, it is trading around 161. So from last 1 year, if you want to see about the entire returns, it has fallen more than 50%. It came down more than 50%, from 373 to 150 it came down. This is about the SBI. Let's see, let me make this point very clear. Fundamental analysis of any stock will not tell you where to buy, it can tell you which stock to buy. So to know about where to buy, one has to know about technical analysis. So let's study whether to buy this State Bank or whether not to buy right now. So to know that, you can go through financials. This is a website called Ticker Tape. It has been supported by Zerodha. Okay, so you can see guys, to know about any stock, a simple trick. See, if you want to know, study about State Bank of India completely, it can even take to 1 day to 2 day to analyze completely all the ratios, analysis of the balance sheet and SBI. But I have a trick which can make you see, if you want to invest any company, what you have to see, whether the company is making profit or not. That is as simple as it is. Let's see today about State Bank of India. So a simple trick is, just see about the total revenue, whether the total revenue is increasing from last years, from every year, from every result, from every quarter. You see, on 2015 it is 2.7 lakh cr, on 2016 it is 2.7 cr, 2.9 cr, 3.6, 3.06 cr, and presently on 2019 it was 3.3 cr lakh total turnover of total revenue of State Bank of India. And let's come to the net profit. Can you see? Okay, first aspect is this State Bank of India total revenue is in the upper side. The growth is really good in terms of total revenue. Now let's see about the net income or net profit, which is deducting everything about all the taxes, about the all the expenses. On 2015 it made a profit of 16,900 cr, and on 2016 the profit has decreased to 12,000 cr, and on 2017 it came down drastically, more than 90% down, and it came down to 250 cr. And on 2018 it is surprised to everybody that it has came down to 4,500 cr loss in its net profit. And right now, as the banking sector everything is taking off, right now it is 2.2 lakh cr, sorry, 2.2 thousand cr profit SBI. So when it comes to State Bank of India, fundamentally you can see it is not as good as it is. Along with that, the major drawback which I would say, SBI has invested around more than 50% of SBI, right? Even that, less than 50%. That is one of the drawback, because you can even take it a positive side, it can even turn it to a negative side. If State Yes Bank turns out to be a really good money making bank, or I would say profit making bank, then yes, it will be really a very good or lucky charm to the State Bank. If it is not, then that is a burden to the State Bank of India. Let's see what will happen in the coming future. Now, along with that, you can see the depth of SBI. Total liabilities will show you about the depth. On 2015, it was 25 lakhs here was the total liability or total depth of the State Bank of India, and right now on 2019 it increased to 36 lakhs here, guys. It is huge compared to income. It is huge, and that is the reason you can see there is a huge fall in the price from last 1 year. The price has fallen down more than 50%. That is one of the worrying thing. Along with that, when it comes to dividend and all, dividend, the stock is not investor friendly in terms of dividend. Fine. So this is about fundamental analysis. Let's come back to technical aspect. You can see still normally what one can do, really simple and a famous method to learn about to make a technical analysis in term is with the help of indicators. Is you can see with a daily candle I have kept, and with a 50-day moving average, it is still down the 50-day moving average, and I would say still it is not recommendation to buy in terms of technical as well. And even if I consider it to like a weekly candle also, again it is showing you it is just taking a support from 145 level, and again in the upper side it is 200 level. It is just price is moving in terms of there. So even with the help of technical also, we can't even say it is in a buy level. I have no, I can't recommend you guys to buy at this point. Clear? Then you guys might be thinking, then what is your thoughts about this stock market biz, right? Let me give you about our views. Fine. So our views is simple. Okay. What are our views? So this is what about, as I told you, with the help of fundamental, it is not good to buy now. With the help of technical also, it is not good to buy now. And stock market biz advises for a short term view. Yes, here is our view. For a short term views, it can go up to 100 level, 200 price in short term, maybe around 1 to 2 months. It can go to around 200. And for a long term view, it can fall till 100 rupee per share till 2021. Remember, for a long term view, we are not even suggesting. It can even go down to till 100 rupee price level till 2021. The best, then guys, the best time to buy, or don't buy till 2021. Then when is the best time? You can see best time to buy SBI is February or March 2021 around. Yes, I know it is almost 8 to 10 months far from right now. Yes, it is a hard reality. We are not against SBI, or we are with the SBI. We are just giving you our views, that is practical views in the market. So let me give you a correct view. See, on this is a advanced analysis. I think nobody in the market can give you this kind of level. This is a live we are giving you, and right, to give a view like this, it needs high level of accuracy as well as high level of experience. Yes, my team is technically well experienced with this. See, I'm giving you a date, 15 to 17 June 2020. Either it can make a top or either it can make a bottom. 15 to 16 January 2020 is a really important date for SBI. It can make a bottom or it can make a top. And okay, the long term view which I told you, right, you can see this between February to March 2020, it can make a bottom. It can make a bottom. That time one can start investing in SBI, but not right now. This is a strictly view from my side. So hope you all guys are enjoying the video right now. Do let us know whatever the comment you guys are having. Do let us know about any particular stock you want to recommend from my side. Okay, we will go through the complete analysis. We are not against any stock, and we are not along with any stock. We are just giving you whatever the stock market is telling you, or whatever the particular stock is telling us in terms of charts, right? That's what it is. So see you guys in the next video. Do like, subscribe and comment in the video. Okay, so we just started a YouTube channel, and we just what I would say, we are just spreading the knowledge in terms of free in YouTube. Do let us know. Even our team is there to guide you, to teach you the stock market from basic level up to advanced level, through online, through offline. Do let us know. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.